Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use green jackfruit powder. Green jackfruit powder comes from young, unripe jackfruit, offering a fantastic gluten-free flour alternative. It has a wonderfully neutral flavor, making it incredibly versatile for both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond its culinary uses, it's packed with dietary fiber and has a low glycemic index, which means it can be a smart choice for managing blood sugar. Let's dive into how you can incorporate this amazing ingredient into your cooking. When cooking with green jackfruit powder, you can easily substitute about 1/4 to 1/2 of your regular flour in many recipes. It's a fantastic addition to baked goods, giving a unique texture to breads, muffins, and even pancakes. Beyond baking, consider using it as a natural thickener for gravies, soups, and sauces, boosting their nutritional value. You can also get creative and make delicious savory dishes like plant-based burgers or even a convincing pulled jackfruit alternative. Beyond its culinary versatility, green jackfruit powder offers several impressive health benefits. Its high fiber content is excellent for supporting healthy digestion and promoting gut health. Thanks to its naturally low glycemic index, it can also play a role in helping to manage blood sugar levels, making it a smart choice for many. Furthermore, this powder provides essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to your overall well-being and making it a beneficial addition to a balanced diet. To get the best results with green jackfruit powder, remember a few key tips. Always store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its freshness. Before incorporating it into your recipes, make sure to sift the powder thoroughly to prevent any lumps. When you're starting out, experiment with smaller quantities to discover your ideal ratio. Combining it with other flours can also help achieve optimal texture and flavor, especially in your baked goods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.